Best motorcycle cleaners. Number 1. Starbright Motorcycle Cleaners. Quickly removes bug bits and road film from glass, paint, plastic, and metal. No hard rubbing or scrubbing required. Designed for your vehicle, does not remove waxes or polishes, ensuring your car's shine remains untouched. Convenient application, easy spray on, wipe off application for hassle-free cleaning. Versatile use, ideal bug bit and tar remover for cars, trucks, RVs, and more. Trusted brand, brought to you by Starbright, a leading name in automotive cleaning solutions. Bug off car cleaner, specifically designed to tackle stubborn bug residues. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 2. Meguiar's Motorcycle Cleaners. Meguiar's Bug and Tar Remover has specialized surfactants that effectively remove bugs and tar from your paint finish. This car bug cleaner features our long-lasting Extreme Clean Foam, which extends the active foam time to rehydrate bugs and soften tar for easier removal. Our professional strength clear coat safe technology is tough on bugs but easy on paint and all exterior surfaces. Use bug cleaner before washing or alone as needed. Specialized Extreme Clean Foam chemistry extends active foam time to rehydrate bugs and soften tar for easier removal. Use before washing or as needed in between washes. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 3. Exoforma Motorcycle Cleaners. Our bug remover for cars features a fast-acting formula that effectively wipes away bugs from many surfaces. Simply add it during your routine washing process to experience its powerful cleaning action. This formula not only removes bugs, but also aids in breaking down the tough stains they leave behind, ensuring a spotless finish with minimal effort. Enjoy a cleaner, clearer surface with our advanced car bug remover spray. This unique enzyme-based formula makes it extremely effective at its job. Designed to specifically target and remove proteins from splatter, it tackles even the toughest of splatter and stains on your vehicle's surface. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 4. Chemical Guys Motorcycle Cleaners. Concentrated, 1 capful works with 1 gallon of water. Pre-wash saves time and energy by loosening stuck-on bugs and grime. Pre-wash prevents long-term paint damage. A must-own for commuters, truckers, couriers, and fleet vehicle owners. Safely removes bugs, tar, grime, tree sap and bird droppings. Remover to the normal soap in the car wash bucket to remove dried bugs and grime. For spot treatment, dilute bug and tar remover 6:1 in a spray bottle, spray on the surface, then gently wipe away nasty bugs with a premium microfiber towel. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 5. Carfident Motorcycle Cleaners. Easily remove stubborn bug splatter, tar, and bird poop from cars. Spray directly on the affected area, let it sit for a few minutes, and lightly wipe for a flawless finish. Perfect for car exteriors and detailing. Infused with ceramic coating, our bug remover for cars' exterior dissolves sap and grime while enhancing shine and protection for ceramic-coated surfaces. Keep your vehicle looking sleek and well-maintained. Dual-use cleaner, this bug and tar remover for cars works as a direct spray for spot cleaning or can be mixed with your car wash soap for a complete cleaning. Ideal for removing bird poop, tar, and road contaminants. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel.